सीएसआर होशियार,
आगे बोलो। I shouldn't be looking fat by this. नहीं तो हमको लड़ना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? फेलोशिप को बढ़ाना पड़ेगा, फेलोशिप को बढ़ाना होगा। Okay, good evening, friends. I would just have a 2-minute address because basically we need to be sure why we are doing this and what are our demands exactly. Now, to start with, the last fellowship hike was in 2014. We have been promised a frequent or at least a consistent revisions in our fellowship hikes when the 2014 hike happened. Now, if you look at the news reports back then, the HRD, one of the ministers from the HRD called Jitendra Singh had promised that you would have some sort of revisionary mechanism that would consistently and frequently look into the issues of research scholars. Now that has not happened. Now that's the primary reason why we are still awaiting a fellowship hike. Now there are few things we need to understand. Now, if you look at the data like All India Survey of Higher Education, that's what comes out every year. If you look at that, we have increased our gross enrollment ratio to 25.2%. Now that's way behind what China and US does. China has a 43% and US has an 86%. Now that's way behind, but we have improved. Our gender parity in higher education have improved. But But what has simultaneously happened is a reduction in funds. Okay, the funds for what is allocated for higher education have declined from 6.1% of budgetary allocation to 3.7% in last 4 years. Now, mind you, last 4 years is important because that's a revision. That's a period we are looking from a previous fellowship, right? Now, look at this scenario. All your GSLV and PSLV are the hard work of researchers here. All your green revolution, your white revolution, all the revolutions which are supposed to happen will be the hard work of your researchers here. But what's the life state of researchers, right? That's a key thing we ought to think about. Now, apart from the fact that we haven't received a fellowship hike, there are other compounding issues. For example, many of our friends who received funds from CSIR and UGC JRF hasn't been receiving their fellowship on time. Now, fees, institutes wouldn't wait for the fee to come, for our stipend to come for us to pay the fees. We need to pay fee on time. In 2014, we used to pay 15,000 rupees as our mess fee. Now we pay 27,000 rupees. That's an 80% hike, but our fellowship hasn't increased. That is a serious concern. So if someone is to ask me what's a job without a DA and a TA and stuff like that, I would say that so it's only research scholars who have to do that job. The only skilled job in this country without a DA, my dear friends, is research, unfortunately. Right? So it is at this juncture that we stand. The responses from authorities, from bureaucrats have been confusing. They have been, sleeping over our demands. They have not responded. And it is at this point that we have decided to hit the streets. There are times when we have to take informal channels. There are times when we have to express ourselves. There are times when we have to shout and sloganeer so that the government listen to what we say. Right? And therefore, I'm extremely happy that something of this sort have happened. This was a nationwide call. This happened in all the IITs and IISERs and other science campuses, NITs in all science campuses in the country, and we have joined them. And so we shall continue until. Let's reiterate ourselves. We shall continue our fight until the fellowships are high. We shall continue our fight until the fellowships are dispersed on time. We shall continue our fight until every one of us, each of our dignity is assured. We need to think about other fellowships. There are fellowships such as Government of India Post-Matric Scholarship, GOI PMS. The allocation for the same has been reduced. There is a Rajiv Gandhi National Fellowship for various sections of the society. The allocation have been reduced. So it is not just a fight for increase of fellowship. It is a fight to improve the life condition of research scholars in this country. And towards that end, my dear friends, let's say in one voice that we shall continue our fight until the last of our demands, are met by the government. Thank you.
नहीं डर किसी का आज, नहीं भय किसी का आज, नहीं डर किसी का आज के दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। होगी शांति चारों ओर, होगी शांति चारों ओर, होगी शांति चारों ओर एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। फेलोशिप होगी हाई, फेलोशिप होगी हाई, फेलोशिप होगी हाई एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। We'll walk hand in hand, we'll walk hand in hand, we'll walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, that I do believe that we shall overcome someday. हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन।